Hello everyone! It's been a while since I vlogged because ever since my previous vlog that I uploaded back in early March, we have been in quarantine because of the COVID-19. So I've been at home doing my work and playing a lot of games Dead by Daylight with my friends. And so today, the reason why I'm not playing the game is because the server went down. So I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna take out my camera, I'm going to vlog, because why not? It's been a whole month since I put out any video or any content out there on YouTube. But I have been kind of not really streaming with my friends. I'm just doing it on my boyfriend's account, not my own account. Today's a beautiful day, but it's sad that we're gonna have to waste it staying indoors. So I'm going to put on some makeup for the vlog, okay? Not for myself, for the vlog, even though I'm staying indoors. I'm just going to vlog throughout the day, show you guys what the hell I'm gonna do, which is trying to be productive. You guys saw this right here, all this clothes right here is my boyfriend's clothes that he hasn't done laundry in like 2 or 3 weeks. Yeah, tell me about it. So I'm gonna do that for him. I'm a nice girlfriend. So let's head on to my bathroom. My bathroom with the horrible lighting. I don't know why the light is orange. Like, hello, really? Oh, your homegirl got her hair in a bun. Yeah, this is gonna be my hair for the whole day though. Look, I'm wearing my Sailor Moon outfit. Oh, there's dust right here. Well, all I'm really going to put on is foundation, just so that I have even skin coverage, and eyebrows, and probably blush and a little bit of lip tint. I'm not going to do anything major just because I'm going to stay indoors. I just want to look good for the vlog, basically. And I usually finish my makeup in like less than 10. If I'm in a rush, less than 5. I'm going to time myself. Hold on. Let me play out some music first. I need music. And that's it. That's my makeup in 3 minutes and 22 seconds. See how fast I do my makeup? I didn't even finish a whole song. I was listening to Outside featuring Bizino by Crush, and I was like, this is the perfect song because it says let me go outside. Okay, and this is my makeup. Pew pew. And honestly, I'm not gonna do my hair. Okay, I'm gonna put my hair in a bun. Like that. There you go, my indoor daily makeup done. Not that I do this on a daily, I do this like once in a while. Time to defrost the meat. I'm going to attempt, keyword is attempt, to make some steam roast later. So I'm going to defrost some ground pork here. And if you guys don't know what steam rolls are, you're missing out. It's basically like rice flour that you cook over like this kind of pan, and it's like a crepe, and you like just cook it with pork, and you can only use pork, not any other kind of meat. I got it. This is what you need. It doesn't have to be this brand, but this is what I'm using. It works. It's basically just a rice flour mix for steam rolls, but I'm pretty sure there are other ways that you can you know, make steam rolls. Let's go ahead and do laundry. I still live in an apartment, so thankfully our laundry complex have a laundry unit, so that's what we're going to do, and it works decently well, and it's not too expensive. So I'm just going to do as much laundry as I can that will fit in here, because there's a lot of clothes that I'm not gonna be able to do it in like one wash. You say pace yourself, slow it down. All right, grab the detergent. And we still have our Christmas wreath. It's still up. Oh. Welcome to the laundry unit of my apartment. You know what? I'm asked for give you guys an apartment tour. I realized that I never did. I'm going to move out anyway, so it's safe.
We're alive, infatuated with your eyes, and the way they look at mine when we're killing time.
I'm just gonna do cold. Doesn't really matter. So there we go. 30 minutes. While we're waiting for the laundry to be done, let me just give you guys a quick apartment tour. It's not the cleanest right now, or isn't the best day because, like I said, we are moving out. So you know, it's been like this for most of the time, but we never bought like a lot of furniture for our apartment just because we knew it wasn't going to be like, you know, a long-term thing. Just like how I was in Korea, I like barely had any furniture. But right off the bat, here's the door. You see the door? Yeah, it has locks. Very different from Korea. Here it is. The first part that you guys see to put your shoes. And here is the storage area where we can put our coats. And you know your Asian people have lots of shoes in the closet. On the right side is the kitchen. The only thing I don't like is how narrow it is. It literally fits one person. Okay, so you cannot have more than like 2 people in this area. And now here's our stove. We have the aluminum foil on the side to help, you know, protect the oil that's splatter. And on this side is the kitchen, the dishwasher. We don't ever use the dishwasher because, you know, Asian people be like, this is storage, right? I don't even know how to use a dishwasher. Seriously, I've never used it in my life. Probably never will. And these are the cabinets that are so not fancy. And here's our regular refrigerator with all of our precious memories. Yeah, right here. This is when we were in Japan. These are relatives and friends. And right here is the dining room. It's actually a decent sized dining room. It can fit like, I think at the maximum if you really wanted to, 6 people, but preferably 4 if you want some space. If you look over here is the living room. Yeah, it's kind of an interesting layout. It's quite different from normal apartments because it has like a rail right here too, and it has a step downstairs, so it takes 1, 2 step. And there's a bed right there because you know, someone was using it to sleep over. So we just have a 2-person couch here that my boyfriend's family bought us when we moved in. So we are very grateful for it because it's comfy. I think it's affordable. I think they got it from Walmart. On the left side of the living room is our futon. It did have 2 legs supporting it, but my friends and I, all 3 of us sat on it and it broke. So I guess we were just too fat. But this futon, my sister had it for like 4 or 5 years. So we're probably just gonna throw it away once we move out. We also got these glass tables that came in a set. I think it's also from Walmart from my boyfriend's family. So it came in 1, 2, and then 3. So we're probably gonna bring this with us for now. And yeah, our house is not usually this like crazy, but yeah, that happened over the weekend. So something I could do about it. And then we get a 65-inch TV from Best Buy. It's actually pretty freaking huge. Like, it's almost the same as the fireplace. And as you guys see, if you guys follow me while I was in Korea, I brought a bunch of my figurines back with me and put them on the fireplace. And some keychains as well. So all of these I collected over, you know, the last couple years. But it's just a collection of plushies, figurines, mangas, and stuff that we collected over the years. You know, I like to display it. I don't like putting it in a glass container. Here's another Totoro inspired decor that I made. And yeah, these are just items that we randomly collected. Walk to the hallway. There are 2 rooms on the right. There's my room that I'm not totally proud of. You know, like I said, we did not buy a lot of furniture or decor when we moved in because, like I said, we're gonna move out, so I didn't bother, you know, investing anything. But each room has a closet and it has the sliding door and a pretty decent sized window. Let's move on over here. Over here is nothing fancy, it's just storage. This is storage space. It's a really small room. Honestly, this could have been another bathroom, you know, but it's okay. We just put all of our boxes here. And then here's another storage room. We can actually maximize this space, but we don't really carry there. So it's just used for like towels, games, medical stuff. Yeah, really random. And over here is our bathroom. This is the bathroom that I was in earlier. I really love this big ass mirror and these beautiful lights. I think I'm going to miss this part in the living room the most for my apartment because I love how big it is and I love these fancy, you know, lights when I put on makeup. And yeah, it's actually a decent sized bathroom for an apartment. It's like an actual square. It's not like the typical rectangular shape. And I really love this bathroom because my favorite part is that the towels, they get freaking warm. So it doesn't really matter if it's like summer or winter, they're just hot throughout the whole entire time. And it was really good to step on it because usually if you go into like American bathrooms, the towels are usually freaking cold, you know, and you don't want to have cold feet while you're peeing or pooping. A little bit TMI, but still, it's true. And that's pretty much it to my apartment. Here is the second batch of laundry that we're going to do.
She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her. You see her walking down the boulevard. She got the posture of a superstar. She looks so fly in those Gucci slides.
Alright, time for laundry round 2.
Her disguise, yeah. And all the girls around the world, they wanna be her. And all the dudes are trying to score like it's fever. She lives a double life, puts on a show.
Guess who made it back home? My boyfriend, and he's gonna play Dead by Daylight for me while I do his laundry. Yeah. The housewife 101. Husband go to work and I stay home and do laundry. Ooh, okay. Just put all over. Yep, like that.
Got to dab oil all the time?
Yeah, a little bit all the time. So you want to grab a scoop of the rice flour. You have to kind of test it out because sometimes it's too watery or too thick. First few ones were too watery, so add a little bit more rice flour. You just need 1 scoop, that should be enough. So you just wait for it to cook. And then when it's done, it looks like this. It's a little bit clear, but still white. Of your minced pork, stir fry thing that you made earlier. or that I made, and then you want to roll it like this, kind of like an egg roll. I just start from the sides and like that, and then just roll, because this is already very sticky and it is hot, so you can wait for it to cool down. And then just roll, and it doesn't have to be pretty, because honestly this is all gonna end up in your stomach. And then ta-da, you have your beautiful and nice and delicious and oily steamed roll. We also made a spicy peanut buttery sauce. This is just basically this is basically mint, Thai peppers, cilantro, fish sauce, and peanut butter that you eat with the rice steamed rolls, which we've already tested out, and it turned out pretty good. Our steam rolls is done. So the extra leftover pork I just put on top. But yeah, this is what it looks like, and you can eat it with some fried onion. Tastes so good, and it tastes the best with the peanut spicy sauce. So I'm gonna put this in the fridge and we'll eat it for tomorrow. Welcome back to my bathroom. So I'm done cooking, done eating. Now I'm going to wash off my makeup and probably shower and wash my hair. My hair is starting to get a little bit oily. But I've been currently trying to use up the Innisfree Jeju Volcanic Pore Cleansing Foam. So I got this when I was in Korea, and I should have probably thrown it away already, but I'm still gonna try to finish it because I'm frugal like that. And you guys see how thick it is, but a little goes a long way. Oh, and this does burn my eyes. It is 9:35. I just got done showering. It's time to lay in bed until like 2 a.m. in the morning. You know it. You know you don't go sleep. Actually, I probably should stay up because I just washed my hair. I want to properly end this vlog. Now you guys see what I do on a daily. Not that I do laundry or do intensive cooking every day. I do cook every day though, regardless. But that's what I do. I didn't really record me working because I just work from my laptop or my big monitor computer there. I'm going to have to bring that back to work once we start going back to the offices, probably in May and June, hopefully. But yeah, see you guys next time, and hope everyone is safe out there, and bye. Thanks for watching.